I got this off of Amazon, 20 bucks. Can you believe it? I'm actually obsessed. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a cheap palette I got off of Amazon for $20, and it is called the Pretty All Set palette. Do you want to find out if these colors can really work? Well then, keep on watching. So it comes in this packaging. It's like a holographic pink. It says Pretty All Set by the company UCANBE. And on the back, it gives a description on what the palette is, the ingredients, and what the set contains. So I'm just going to read that it is an 86 shade full palette of warm mattes and dynamic hues eyeshadows with highlighters, contours, and blushers. This set is everything you need to go. So let's take a look. So this is what the actual palette looks like. All right, and then I'm gonna open it up. This is the warm colors. And then kaboom. This is what it looks like. I'm very excited to see how these colors work. So I'm going to swatch a few of them, and then we're going to try to do a makeup look with these. So the first thing I want to swatch are these glitters down here. So, ooh. Now I just remind you, this palette was only $20. Beautiful. Wow. For these shimmers alone, it's worth $20. Look at that. Wow. And let me just remind you that I'm not wearing any primer on my arm. This is just the glitters by themselves. Let's see. Let's try that bright pink color right there. Wow. That's comparable to like the James Charles palette. Look at that. To see where we're at with that, because purples are really hard to make. Wow. Okay, and I'm gonna swatch one more color. I'm gonna swatch this blue here. Blue color right here. Ooh. All right, I'm super excited. Let's get to the makeup look. All right, I already did my eyeshadow base off camera. I used this light concealer called Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. This is my favorite concealer, and it just gives me a blank canvas to work with. And the brow gel that I am using right now is called the Long Wear Gel by Music Flower. Got it off of Amazon. It was really cheap, and it came with a black liquid or black gel liner as well. So that was a bargain. I think I paid like $3. It was great. Let's go into this bright orangey color in the inner corners. Wow. I'm going to be taking that very bright pink that we had swatched earlier and putting that right next to it. Wow. Okay, these colors are extremely pigmented, bro. Like, are you seeing this? Okay. This bright purple that we have over here, and put that on the outer corner. Okay, we're gonna go back into that pink to blend in that purple. Okay, now I want to darken up that purple, so I'm going to go into this really dark plum color right here. So I'm just very carefully, look at that, just very ever so slightly tapping. Wow. So I take my concealer and I roll a little bit on the back like that. Get it nice and coated in that concealer. Okay, and now I'm just going to put a single blop on my eye like that. Now I'm gonna look up, look around, look up, down, and boom, that's where I cut my crease because I have hooded eyes. It's really sparkly yellow color with the inner corners. Wow. Wow, I love it. I'm loving it, loving it. To that beautiful blue that we had swatched earlier, that sparkly blue. Blue green. Alright, now I want to take this blue sparkly color, put that on the outer edge. I am in love with this palette. So good. Now we're going to take that black liner by Magic Flower, black gel liner, and we're just going to do the line. We're not going to do anything fancy because this is already a big look, so we don't need crazy eyeliner. My lashes are on. I use the Dye Silk lashes from Amazon. It comes with a pair of 10 for $10. They're amazing, they're beautiful, they're dramatic, and they have a nice thick band to them. All right, guys, this is the finished look with the Pretty All Set palette. Now I'm just gonna add some foundation, some bronzer, some highlight for a completed look. Look using the Pretty All Set palette. I also used the blush and the highlight that came in the palette, and I am thoroughly pleased. It was definitely worth $20, if not more. It gave me beautiful payoff. The shadows blended into each other perfectly. There's no issues with my base with the eyeshadows. They came out vibrant and beautiful, and I love this look. I got this off of Amazon, 20 bucks. Can you believe it? I'm actually obsessed. Thank you for watching this video, everybody. If you liked this video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. If you liked me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you get notified right away when I drop videos straight on the tube. Bye!